There is a concerted effort. There is a concerted effort to cause division. There is a concerted effort to bring back ethnicity, to try and balkanize people. Nyinyi ni watu wako na hiyo, nyinyi ni watu wako na ile, nyinyi ni watu wako na ile. Endeni kwanza mkue na mtu yenu pale, alafu mkuje, endeni namna hii. Because they want to destroy the foundation that we have laid of the unity of our nation. Please pray for the unity of the nation. I can see that there is a deliberate, concerted effort to try and cause disunity amongst communities. We must never allow the devil back with that kind of nonsense.